Welcome back. Now, the idea behind using the project settings is for us to be able to use our professionally cloned voice without experiencing the degradation we would use in the speech synthesis tab. So what we can do is we can go to each chapter. We're going to choose this tab so that the AI will read through the entire chapter. And then we will click the play button. In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments. Strategic application of frameworks. So you can see that within one chapter, we have a better rendering with our professional narration. We can go to the second chapter. Before we go to the second chapter, we can probably take some of our text and we can add it to our second chapter. And we're now going to narrate our second chapter. Strategic application of frameworks. One key advantage of using frameworks in consulting is their ability to bring clarity to the strategic planning process. By applying a specific framework, consultants can guide companies to articulate their vision, mission, and strategic objectives in a coherent manner. This clarity is the first step towards achieving meaningful change. Now you will notice that some of the reading is going to be uneven, and so this will require some experimentation, and in some cases it may require that you work with your voice settings within each chapter. You might find this to be more work than just using an ElevenLabs voice. However, if you do need to have a professionally or instantly cloned voice, this is a workaround. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.